understand the impact of tax in case of elastic demand of a product. Impact of tax in case of elastic demand. Now elastic demand means if the price is changing, the quantity demanded will also change. If the price is increasing, quantity demanded will fall. The consumers will try to find a substitute. Okay, they will not stick to your brand only. So how will the demand curve be in case of elastic demand? The demand curve is a flatter slope. It is a flatter slope. It is not a steeper slope, it is a flatter slope. Okay, so now on x-axis you have quantity, y-axis you have price. This is your original DD demand curve, which is a flatter slope, and original S is supply curve. They are intersecting at point E, that is your equilibrium price, P price, Q quantity. Now in case of elastic demand, producers will bear most of the tax. They will bear most of the tax. They will not shift it to the consumers, because once they shift it to the consumers, they will have to increase the price, and if the price will increase, the consumers will try to find out alternatives. They will not stick to your product, they will find substitutes. So producers know they cannot pass much tax to the buyers, as this would reduce their demand significantly. So now who is bearing most of the taxes? Producers, not the consumers. Now SS was your original supply curve. Since tax has increased, when tax increases, supplier has only limited resources. From most of the money is now going to pay the tax, because taxes increases. So the supply will come down. When supply increases, it shifts towards the right supply curve. When it decreases, it shifts towards the left. So the SS supply curve now shifts to S1 supply curve. So make the S1 supply curve over here. Okay. Now the original SS supply curve shifts left towards S1 supply curve, because tax has increased, and that will make your supply curve shift towards the left. So now what do we get? Here 1 point. So if I join this, I get price P1, that is price has increased from P to P1 because tax has increased. And if I join this point over here, I get from Q to Q1, that is quantity has come down. Quantity demanded decreased. Okay, so if I name the new points A, B, if I join this point here, C and D, if the total amount which we are discussing is P1, A, C and D, who will bear what? The major part, that is P, B, C, D. That part of tax will be borne by the supplier, and a small part of tax only will be shifted to the consumer. That small part of tax is this, that is P1, A, B, P. The total is P1, A, C, D, out of which the major part, because it is elastic demand, so the major part of increase in tax, the tax burden is borne by the producer, P, B, C, D. He knows that he cannot increase much of the prices, and only a small part will be shifted to the consumer, that is P1, A, B and C. So this was about in case of elastic demand, and how will be the impact of tax